Hi, Vinod here. I'm going to give you top 5 profitable mutual funds in the past 1 year. Are you ready to listen? Please. Okay, this is based on the website source. I am not giving on my own analysis. I am believing on the website. Okay, are you interested? How much mutual funds here and what is the highest profitable mutual fund? Come, I'll share you that. I selected top 5. This is as per January 2021. The high profitable mutual funds in the past 1 year. See, Quantum Capital Small Cap Fund. It is given 84.97% within 1 year. Unbelievable. This is actually beautiful thing happened, and even after Corona, we have recovered very fast, and our stock markets are gone well. That's why these funds are given very good return. Next one is DSP Healthcare Fund. It is given 83.39%. Then ICICI Prudential Technology Fund 80.56%. Mirare Asset Healthcare Fund 78.99%. Nippon India Pharma Fund 74.66%. All are very aggressive return. Even I do not believe this. I am also lost. I'm not invested much. I invested in technology fund. I've taken profit, and I'm not gone beyond 30%. Okay, I'm going to give you this top high profitable fund for you, maybe monthly once. Okay, now what is the secret of selecting the mutual fund? How I have seen what now the mutual fund investors are doing. Just they are finding the past performance of the mutual funds. They are seeing 5 to 10% years performance, and they are selecting the investing amount randomly. See, for example, they may take some thousand rupees or 10,000 rupees as an SIP, that means monthly, or they may invest 1 lakh or 10 lakh based on their availability. So there is no specific term, or you can also start investing with 1,000 rupees or 1 lakh or 10 lakh, whatever you have, you can invest. So how it is happening? I'm giving the secret to where to find this. Okay, there is an online website. There are multiple websites, but I'm suggesting only one. Okay, the secret is morningstar.in. This is very useful. You can go there and you can find the list of mutual funds, even shares also there. You can see the top performing mutual funds within 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, even short term of 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. Okay, very useful. Just tell me, are you happy with this? Are you ready to use this? Okay. Now, next question is this funds are profitable if invest now? Are you interested to invest these funds? That's a question to you. Okay, for that you have to find the answer. I am not sure, because the same funds may give or may not give the same profit in the next 1 year. That means today onwards. Why I am saying this? I am giving this as an indicator, and it is a past performance indicator. There is no guarantee. Okay, so then what you have to do, if there is a possibility to get more return from investments, You have to do an investment strategy, make an investment plan, and get more returns. This is possible and you can achieve this. I'm going to give you a lot of ideas about this. Just listen to next videos to get into next level. Thank you.